Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out to Tudia. They sent me the black and blue uniquely designed protective cases for my Nothing Phone 1. On the back of the packaging, you got some information here. Features raised edges to protect the screen and camera from scratching. Lightweight, ultra slim design without bulky feel. Clicky buttons, covered protection for buttons without any loss of responsiveness. Connect with us at Tudia Products, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Join our newsletter by sending an email to signup@tudiaproducts.com. And you got some warranty information there as well. Black, blue. What I like about these cases, and you'll see it much better when I take the cases out of this very nice simple packaging, you got some clear areas that perfectly match the glyph lights on the back of the Nothing Phone 1. So you can see that glyph action when you get a notification or someone's calling you or when you are playing music. So that is really cool. Now, all the information to purchase these cases will be down below in the description area. And with that, let's get into this simple, very nice packaging and get a good look at what these cases are going to look like on my Nothing Phone 1 and what they're going to look like on yours when you bring in not just one but both, because trust me, you gotta have more than one. You want to trade them out, man. You want to trade them out. Even if I didn't review cases, I would still have more than just one. Look at that. Oh man, that is sharp. See what I'm talking about there? Yeah, that is nice. I'll go ahead and put that one on right now. Yeah, that is sick. This is the black one. It also has that smoked look. Brand name Tudia right there. You can see all that grip action all the way through here on the sides, from bottom to top, top to bottom on the other side as well. Those button areas that are going to be covered up, minus, plus symbols there. Your power button, cut out for the top mic. Yeah, cut out for the speaker grill, USB Type-C charging port, and a cutout for the bottom mic. A lot of corner protection. Got these corners that extend out to help absorb impact. Nice texture on the inside to protect the back of your Nothing Phone 1. And those areas that is going to make those glyphy lights visible. All right. Let's test out the volume rocker. Nice and clicky. Responsiveness is a thumbs up. Power button. Nice and clicky. Again, a thumbs up. Fingerprint reader is freaking fast, which has nothing to do with the case, but I just thought I'd throw that in there. A lot of lip up top and at the bottom on the sides. Same amount of lip that you get at the bottom and up top. Because we have a flat display, all of the lip is equal. Glass protector on the Nothing Phone 1 display, so I have a lot of protection going on here. If I'm sitting down on a flat surface is a little bit rough, good to go. Anything rougher than that, please use your discretion. On the back, a lot of lip, a lot of depth protecting those cameras, flash and sensor. Yeah, that looks really, really good. A lot of space to take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video. When setting down on a flat surface is a little bit rough, you're going to be good to go. Thumbs up. Anything rougher than that, again, please use your discretion. Corner protection. You got this matte texture on the back with these areas, again, that, like I mentioned earlier, that are clear so you can see the glyph light action when you want to utilize that functionality. Dig in those corners. Bam, bam, to absorb shock. At the bottom, There's that cutout for the speaker grill, cutout for your USB Type-C charging port, and a single cutout there for that bottom mic. And again, the mic up top right there, there's that cutout. Everything is perfect. A lot of grip, feels good in the palm of my hand. Yeah, I'm really digging that grip action. TPU flexible case, bam, 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 okay? Just enough thickness to give me the protection that I want. Yeah, that is nice. That is nice. Okay, wireless charging. Boom, just like that. And there's one other area, and this is the fun part of the video. So let's go ahead and check that out. Now, come on now, man. That is just sick. Bam. I'm digging it. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Way to go, Tudia. Yeah, I am digging that. Look at that. Wow. All right, it's time to check out the black Tudia case on my Nothing Phone 1 smartphone. All right. Same lip action going on with the black Tudia case here. That matte texture, those clear strips to allow the glyph action to just make this phone a very fun experience, along with all of the power that's inside of this device. Trust me, this is a powerhouse device. It's a very fluid device. All that grip action from right to left. All cutouts will be precise. You will have no issues with those areas at all. They both look good, but I'm really digging the blue. I think I'm going to sport the blue today. Bam. Wow. That is just so cool. Huge shout out to you, man. Thanks for the opportunity. Thanks to all of you for watching this video. Any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. Again, all the information to purchase the black, blue cases from Tudia down below in the description area. And with that, God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.